Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper is December the 3rd, Friday, December the 3rd, 2021. We have no additional, no extra puzzles, but only two regular puzzles: Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. I've done a speed test earlier with those two puzzles. Now, in this additional, it's the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper, Thursday, December the 2nd, 2021. And I've already solved three puzzles a minute ago, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I do not know. And this one, the first one, 1 star, second one, 2 stars. The third one, binary puzzle. So one puzzle is left, and it's a Tectonic with 1 star. All right, 1 star. Let me position the camera. Okay, and this one will be number 3778. 3778. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 21 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has 8, 9 printed digits or 10. And this one has 21. Should be an easy one. A 1-star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Do we have dual boxes? I see here a dual box. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here already filled in. So this box should be a 1. Triple box then. Do we have a triple box? I see here one triple box. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, this box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. So this box 4 or a 5. Okay, the other two numbers, the 2 is already filled in, so it should be the 1 and the 3, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes. Triple box, quarter box. Do we have any quarter boxes here in this puzzle? No quarter boxes. All right, so the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or construction. For example, we have here the T shape. The T shape, let me draw the T shape here. Can you see the T shape? Alright, we have a T shape here. If you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so let me draw this in red. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, T shape, only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. Okay. When you see this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Oh, alright. So this box has the same number as that box. But this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Okay. And now we have a 4 here. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. This box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah. Rotated. This box is rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, I believe the last. No. Correction. We have another shape here. Rotated 180 degrees. Rotated of this shape. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 3. But we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. It's connected with that box, should be also a 3. One box left in this triple box for the number 1. Alright. One shape is left, the shape that you need to recognize. Let me draw this here. Alright. Here we have the shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Why? Because the next step, then it's easy for filling the numbers. Alright, those are the shapes. Only 3 shapes in this puzzle. There are more. I believe there are 7. I thought there were 6, but one viewer, one follower, has told me there's 1 shape extra. So thank you for that person. And so in this puzzle we have 3, but there are more. So let's get starting and filling the numbers. Alright. This box cannot be A1. That box cannot be A1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 5 and 2. Let me mark those, 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright, then these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those, 1 and 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Alright. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me go up. Okay, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, and this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this area for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Wait. We already have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Overlooked. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can it be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 4. But we already have a 3 there, I see. Look. We have a 3 here. So it cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. So this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Okay. Few numbers to go. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers in this T-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you. Faster than 15 minutes. Should be an easy one for you. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudoku. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday weekend. Yes, until then, bye bye for now.